Where to find activity log on Facebook app. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your Facebook app. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log in, and then click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Scroll down under Your Activity, and you'll see Activity Log. Click on that. Now, Activity Log is where you can view and manage your Facebook activity, such as posts, tags, comments, and likes. You can move your posts from your profile to your archive, where only you can see them. You can also move them to the recycle bin, where they will automatically be deleted after 30 days. So you can scroll down and see what you want to manage. If you want to view your activity history, go at the very bottom and click on this. And over here, you'll see your past activity. You can click on Filters if you want to select according to date or different categories. So if you click on Category, then you can search according to your post, activity you are tagged in, interactions, groups, events, and reels, your profile information, connections, and logged actions and other activity. So this is where to find activity log on Facebook app. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.